Hey guys, today we're gonna do reload on a bump head reload on a homelite weed eater. It's one of these guys here. I don't think there's a model number for this. No, wait, yeah, we got something here. What is this? Yeah, I don't know if we can read any of that, but whatever. Just common. It's this common. See if I can set this where it'll stay. It's common bump head. I've had a few people that have taken it apart and messaged me and asked me how these go together. So we're gonna take this apart. We're gonna act like okay, the string's stuck in it. This guy came with parts missing out of his, even that's what made me think about it. So I'm just redoing it. I've already put these parts on, but I'm gonna pop this open. So you're gonna push this tab here down, and see it pops right up. There's a spring right here. If this spring falls off, falls out, and it's gone, then this won't work anymore. It's got to have this spring in it right there. And then inside of this side, you've got this yellow cap and this system here. These go inside of here. All right, so that's how. So when you bump this, it goes down and it allows it to turn. When it's back up, it won't turn and won't let out the line. Now to reload it, now let's say you've got string in here still and you got to get it out. You pull it out, grab your string, yank it all out. Just yank all the string out, no big deal. Pop, maybe clean out inside here, make sure there's no dirt or debris in there. Pop this back in. Line these two holes up here and here with those slots like this, and then you're going to squeeze it down until it clicks into place, both sides. See, now that button works good. Now we're going to take and line up. You got to push down and line up the arrow to the hole. Now these things don't always work properly. Sometimes they're clogged up, but this should go through the hole out the other side, and then you line them up. Now let's say you can't get it through the hole, then stick one side in one side and the other side in the other side, like that. You'll find the hole, and then you tighten it up. But right now we're going to do the way it's supposed to. We're going to go all the way through. Bring this down. I'm doing it with a short line just so you can see. I'm going to reload this guys with a longer line. Grab both ends and just pull it through till it lines up. All right, Robert, come here. All right, so you got to push down to make this turn. Oh, stupid weed eater wants to go away on me. Down, just keep spooling it in. It's still trying to run away. Stupid thing. See, it won't go the other way. So when you bump it, so let's get it in a little bit. So what happens when you bump it, it lets it out one notch. See, that's how it works. So get them all both in. Make sure they're kind of cut to length so that they're both the same length. And that's it. So that's how this head's assembled. This guy had lost a bunch of parts on his. Common thing to happen. He lost the green cap, lost the spring, took it apart himself. Now you see how it all goes together. I'll put a new bump head in the description below. Let me tear this apart real quick again. We'll figure out how to actually get rid of, oh wait a minute, it's a part right here. So okay, there's this is threaded onto the shaft, so there must be, okay, you know what, see this flat spot right here? You got to hold this thing with a pair of pliers, and then the head will unscrew from it. Alright, so you're going to grab a pair, I usually use a big pair of channel locks. You grab this here, and then I think it's counterclockwise on these. Yeah, it's counterclockwise. And you just spin this off. And that's how you would change your bump head. So this comes all the way up. You see it's just a nut inside of there. So, and then you'd put the new one on the opposite way. It'd be probably a complete unit, and you just spin it back on. That'd be how you change it out. You see there's just little flat spots on this, so you could do an adjustable wrench either even, but I found the big channel locks work the best with stuff like this. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Just a quick breakdown of the bump head and how it works. Just for our people that might have accidentally taken theirs apart and think they may be missing something. Alright guys, I'll put the bump head, I'll put the line I use too. This is Echo 095, and it's perfectly round. You get the jagged edge stuff like this has got the sharp edges on it, and it just ends up getting stuck on itself. It gets hung up. It doesn't come out as smooth. So, you know, I use the smooth edge. It just tends to use, you know, all of it instead of it getting stuck, you know. I'll put that in the description below as well as the head. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.